We are also engaging at the Fairbanks North Star Borough on an economic recovery plan. We're using the Economic Development Commission as the tool and the mechanism to move that plan forward. We've had 2 meetings so far. Our meetings are scheduled for Tuesdays at 2:30, and we're going to continue to meet weekly until we get a plan developed and then really begin to work on implementation of that. I think it's important to recognize that there are other community partners that are going to also be working on economic recovery plans. The Fairbanks North Star Borough has responsibility as not only the Economic Development Commission and the authority that's been given to it through the Assembly, but then also the Economic Development Commission serves as the ARDR, which is the Regional Economic Development Authority through the state of Alaska. So we're really looking at it from a planning perspective, what we can do to help coordinate efforts within our community and work with partners. And I know that their efforts, the Fairbanks Chamber of Commerce is looking at an economic recovery plan for the private sector. What are the things that the private sector needs in order to get restarted? And that we also are looking at different measures that we can take to reopen and restart the economy, but do it in a way that's protective of the health of the community. What we don't want to have happen is we don't want to open everything back up again and then in 4 weeks or 5 weeks be in just as bad of a place as we were prior to this event, where we've got folks that are getting sick and overrunning the healthcare system. So we want to be really thoughtful in that process, and that's part of what we're doing through the economic recovery efforts of the Economic Development Commission. So those meetings are also open to the public, and we encourage people to engage with the commission. Brittany Smart is our staff member. If you have comments or questions for the commission, encourage you to reach out and provide those comments through email.